Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best video cassette player accessory for VHS tapes on the market. The original factory-sealed My Needle Store cassette adapter for camcorders SVHS VHS-C to VHS. If you've ever wanted to play or convert those nostalgic VHS-C tapes from your camcorder on a standard VHS player, this device is a game-changer. The My Needle Store cassette adapter is designed to bridge the gap between your classic VHS-C camcorder tapes and the more common VHS players or recorders. This means you no longer have to worry about finding a rare VHS-C player to enjoy those precious memories or important footage recorded decades ago. Instead, this adapter allows you to simply place your VHS-C cassette inside it and play or record directly on any standard VHS device. What sets this adapter apart is its motorized, user-friendly design. When you insert your VHS-C tape into the adapter, you just slide the cassette door switch open, place the tape inside, and close the door. The adapter's internal motor activates to perfectly align the gears and idlers, making the VHS-C cassette function seamlessly in a regular VHS player. After you're done watching or recording, ejecting the adapter is just as easy. You slide the switch again, the internal mechanism prepares the tape to be used back in your camcorder, and the door pops open for removal. Compatibility is another highlight here. This adapter works well with a range of camcorder models including CP6BKU, CP6U, Panasonic PVP-1, RCA-VCA-115, and Konig, making it versatile enough for many users with different VHS-C camcorder brands. Just keep in mind, it's specifically built for VHS-C tapes and does not support other formats like Video-8 or Hi8. In terms of build, the My Needle Store adapter comes in brand new, factory-sealed condition, ensuring you receive a high-quality, reliable product. It's compact with dimensions of 4.2 by 1.1 by 7.5 inches and weighs just over 8 ounces, making it lightweight yet sturdy enough for long-term use. It operates on a single Ah battery, which powers the motorized mechanism, so you won't have to worry about external power sources. If you have old VHS-C tapes filled with family memories or rare recordings, this adapter lets you relive those moments on any standard VHS player or even transfer them digitally by connecting your VHS player to a digitizing device. It truly is a bridge between the past and the present, preserving the quality and sentimentality of your tapes with ease. In conclusion, the My Needle Store cassette adapter is a smart investment for anyone wanting to unlock the value of their VHS-C tapes. It offers simplicity, compatibility, and reliable motorized operation in a compact package. Whether you're an enthusiast, archivist, or just looking to bring old memories back to life, this adapter will help you do it without the hassle of hunting down legacy camcorder players. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.